nila. Sa pagbabalik ng Pinoy Big Brother Only Day, ang pinag-uusapan sa online community na closeness nitong si Divine kay Slater at ang kakaibang friendship nila ni Tin. At live na live din nating lilinawin ang issue ito mula mismo kay Divine. Yari kapag pinagsama mo sa iisang bahay ang isang hotshot engineer at isang darling dude. Kapwa tubong Cebu, magkasabay na pumasok sa looban sina Slater at Divine. Umpisa pa lang, aminado na si Divine sa kanyang pagiging lesbian at pagkakaroon ng relasyon sa labas ng bahay ni Kuya. Habang si Slater, binata at malaya. Sa gitna ng payak na pamumuhay sa barong-barong, unti-unting nagkakilala ang housemates. Ang kapwa may malakas na personalidad na sina Slater at Divine, naging magaan ang loob sa isa't isa. Hanggang sa paglipas ng mga araw, lalo pang napapalapit ang dalawa. Kaya naman ang ating mga kapamilya sa labas ng bahay ni Kuya, hindi na naiwasang mapansin ang tila kakaibang closeness nila na siyang naging inspirasyon ng isang fan para gumawa at mag-upload ng video nila. Ang mistulang love team na Slater at Divine na tinawag nilang Slavine. Pero bukod sa pagiging malapit ni Divine kay Slater, may napansin pa ang ilang fans. Nang mabuo ang dalawang grupo ng housemates ni Kuya at pumasok ang Team High Voltage sa mansyon, tila mas naging malapit sina Divine at Tin sa isa't isa. Ang tila malalim na pagkakaibigan ng dalawa. Hindi rin nakalampas sa atensyon ng publiko sa outside world. Dahilan para gumawa ang ilang fans ng video na tinawag nilang Div Tin. Yakapan, harutan, kulitan, lambingan. Ano nga kaya ang katotohanan sa likod ng mas lumalalim na samahan at pagkakaibigan na Slater at Divine? At Divine at Tin. Posible nga kayang may umuusbong na high voltage na pagtitinginan sa kanila. Medyo sensitibo at seryoso nga ang isyong ito at napapansin na napakaraming TVD supporters ang kakaibang closeness nitong si Divine kina Slater at Tin at mating na ang iba nilang kasama ay napapansin ito. Kaya ngayon naman, mismo live na live ay kakausapin natin si Divine na nasa confession room sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Hi, Divine.
Hi, Bianca.
Oh, hi. Yes, you can't see me, but can you hear me clearly?
Yes, yes.
Yes, all right. I will go straight to the point. I need to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
You are quite close to Slater, right?
Yes po. Opo.
Okay, in all honesty, do you think or do you feel that Slater has special feelings for you?
I don't think so. I think it's more of a brother-sister relationship, honestly. Even though we did accidentally kiss, but it was a mistake.
You accidentally
yeah,
kissed.
it was rather funny, but it was like we both turned at the same time. So, but I think it's brother and sister relationship.
How come you have this giggly laugh na medyo kilig din?
Because everyone here thinks that we have something, and
Yes.
it makes me giggle po, because I find it interesting that people think that I have feelings for him.
Why interesting? What are your feelings for
Because,
Slater?
My feelings towards Slater is that he's like a really good friend of mine. I trust him so much. He's like a big brother. I have a half brother, but I don't have a brother like him. He's always there, and I'm just really interested in the other gender.
Yes.
So,
You made it clear, Divine, that you are in a relationship.
yes.
Even before you went inside the Big Brother house. But you did have a boyfriend before, right?
Yes.
Do you think that Slater has the qualities, if ever in the future you would consider having a boyfriend again?
Yes, he does. He does have the qualities.
Which are?
He's a gentleman. He's very considerate. He puts other people in front of himself. He's caring. He's loving. He's generous. He's everything po. He's a really
He's
good person.
everything. Thank you, Divine. Now on to our next question. You're also very close to another housemate from High Voltage, na si Tin.
Opo.
Do you feel that Tin has special feelings for you? Natawa na naman siya.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I see Tin as my sister, and I think just because we're kind of similar, she opens up to me. Well, similar in different ways. Sorry if that makes sense. But yeah, she opens up to me, and I understand her. So.
Okay, Divine. I was also a housemate before, and I know that with your other housemates, you feel that everyone is your brother and your sister. But that doesn't stop you from feeling special feelings for someone inside.
Yeah.
Do you think?
Yeah, true. I mean,
So with Tin, have you ever felt any sort of kilig at any point?
yes, I did before at the beginning.
What was this?
Cause if I were to date a girl, she would be, the type that I would date po.
Thank you very much, Divine, for being game to answer all kani-kanina lang. And now you'd like to ask, Mommy Luz, ano sa tingin mo, ano ang reaction mo dun sa sinabi ni Divine tungkol kay Slater?
Ako ang masasabi ko, syempre, mother knows best. And attraction is very natural, kahit kanino yan. So, tingin ko, meron nga.
Meron nga.
Meron.
Sino kanino?
Slater and Divine.
Pero sino ang pareho or isa lang?
I think both.
Oh. At si Tol, na nakasama niyo ng matagal na panahon ng tatlo. Sa tingin mo naman si Divine at si Tin, kinilig daw si Divine kay Tin at one point. Ano sa tingin mo?
Well, siguro pag entrada sa looban, yun pwedeng mangyari kasi may girlfriend si Divine sa labas. And yung pinakamaganda na mukha, si Tin sa pagpasok. Pero towards the end, it's Divine towards Slater.
Actually, kaya usap ko silang lahat kanina at sabi nga nila na yung Divine at Slater ay meron ngang medyo something. Pero si Kim lang nagsabi na parang medyo hindi. Well, kung ano man ang pananaw ng ex-housemates natin o nating mga nakapanood dito sa labas ng bahay ni Kuya, ang katotohanan ay maghihintay. Dahil sina Slater, Tin at Divine lamang ang talagang makakapagsabi kung ano ang lagay ng kanilang mga damdamin. Samantala,